Hello friends, today I will tell you the basic 6 steps in Markandeya Asana which are very useful and keeps relaxed in sciatica and the cervical pain. Those patients who are having a very intense pain of the sciatica or the lower back pain, the 6 steps of Markandeya Asana are very easy to practice and it gives approximately 40 to 60% relaxation in 1 week. So after 1 week, when you get 60% relaxation in the pain, then you can practice the difficult steps of other asana or the exercise. Twisting of body means the upper portion remains on the other side and the lower portion from the hip to the leg portion remains on the opposite direction. Due to this, the nerves which are pinched and the narrowing of nerves get relaxed and the blood supply abundant. Due to that, the problems of cervical and the sciatica get solved. Human body, basically the cervical and sciatica problems occurs due problem or from the hip region, from this portion. The sciatica nerve goes here. So when any disturbance occurs due to herniated disc, pinched nerve or other factors are also there, then pain occurs in the body. The physical therapy proved to be very helpful in solving this problem.
This is Markandeya Asana. Lie down from back side and keep 1 foot distance between the two legs. Now bend your right foot toe towards the ankle of the left foot and turn your upper part of the body towards the right side and keep your both the hands in the side. Bend your body and foot to the lowest and inhale. Now exhale and come to the back position. Second step, keep your right ankle to the left toe and turn your lower portion towards the left side and the upper portion towards the right side. Exhale and come to the back position. Repeat it in the opposite direction. Keep your left ankle to the right toe and move towards the right side and move your upper portion to the left direction. Exhale and come to the back position. Now in the third step, bring your right leg nearby to your knee of the left leg. Inhale and move your right leg towards the left side and your upper portion of the neck towards the right side and come back to the original position. Repeat it from the left leg. Inhale and move towards the right side of the lower portion and your upper portion move towards the left side. Hold this position. Exhale and come back to the back position. In the next step, bring your both the legs. Try to touch with the hip portion and move your both the legs to the left direction and your upper portion towards the right direction. Inhale and hold the position for few seconds. Now exhale and come back. Repeat it in the opposite direction. Keep a distance between the two legs in the next step and move your knee of the right leg and try to touch with the ankle of the left leg and move your upper portion towards the right and the lower portion towards the left direction. You will feel that a stretch in the back portion. Repeat it from the left leg. Move your knee and try to touch your right ankle from the left knee and move your upper portion towards the left direction. A stretch feel in the hip portion and in the lower back portion. This exercise is very good for the sciatica as well as cervical problems. Now come back. In the next step, move to the upper your right leg and try to touch left thumb with the toe of your right leg. Now come back, exhale, repeat it from the left leg. Inhale and try to touch your right thumb with the left toe. Exhale and come back. Few steps are very beneficial for the cervical and sciatica problem.
This area represents the cervical. So, apply pressure for 2 to 3 seconds in this area also. And this region is of